We have been seeing cloud cover this afternoon. That has continued for the evening hours, and now we're starting to see some rain showers getting ready to move onshore right along the coast. This is very light rainfall, but this area of rain will be what moves inland as the night moves on, bringing us rain showers for most locations, but snowfall for northern Klamath and Lake counties. And the current temperatures around the area, cool, but relatively mild compared to what we are seeing in the Klamath Basin. We're in the lower 50s for Medford, lower 40s for Montague, upper 40s for Mount Shasta, along the coast in the middle 50s for Brookings at 54 degrees, and Crescent City reading in the middle 50s at 55. And as mentioned, it is cold in the Klamath Basin, 36 degrees for Klamath Falls, 34 degrees for Lakeview. Alturas, though, sitting in the lower 40s. So here are your weather headlines. We're going to talk about the storm system that is moving through in the timeline with this. Rain will move inland tonight. That's for most locations or lower elevations. And that will start as initially snow for northern Klamath and Lake counties. That's where the winter storm warning goes into effect at midnight. But later tonight into early tomorrow morning, that's going to transition over to a wintry mix, freezing rain and sleet possible. And then that will once again transition into mainly rainfall by Thursday afternoon. Isolated showers are still in the forecast by Friday. So here's your storm system. This is the area of low pressure we've been watching, and it looks a little distorted. That's because we have an occluded front, because it is so displaced from the center of low pressure instead of just a cold front associated with this. We'll see the cold front move onshore by tomorrow evening, and ahead and along of this front we are seeing showers and some wintry mix possible for parts of the areas east of the Cascades. So here's your stormcast for the next 48 hours, that is. You can see snowfall in northern Klamath and Lake counties, but then that transitions over to a mix by tomorrow morning, continuing to keep this into motion. Showers for most of the day off and on Thursday, even continuing for Friday. So we're expecting a relatively wet next couple of days. So for tonight, starting as rainfall, 42 degrees for Medford with showers in the forecast. Klamath Falls right near freezing. Areas towards the north of Klamath Falls, that's the locations that need to be careful tonight into tomorrow morning. That's Chiloquin and Chemult. For Mount Shasta, 39 degrees by early tomorrow morning, and for Brookings, an overnight low in the lower 50s at 53 degrees, also with showers in the forecast. So for tomorrow along the coast, highs are going to be in the upper 50s and lower 60s, near 60 degrees for Gold Beach, upper 50s for Brookings, and a little bit breezy. Winds at times gusting from the south up to 30 miles per hour. For Northern California, showers in that forecast, middle 50s for highs in Wairika, near 50 degrees for Weed, starting out in the middle 30s, but not quite down to freezing. So we'll just be seeing rainfall. Winds gusting at times up to 35 miles per hour, especially in the Shasta Valley. And for the Klamath Basin, we were just talking about this for Chiloquin, Chemult, and Silver Lake. We are expecting initially snowfall, then that wintry mix. By the afternoon, temperatures will be in the 40s, 48 degrees the high for Klamath Falls. And for the mountains, temperatures in the 40s and 50s for highs. Prospect 48, Butte Falls 51. Relatively light winds from the southwest. And for the Rogue Valley, our highs in the upper 50s with showers still in the forecast. Upper 50s for Grants Pass and Rogue River. Medford and Ashland, though, a high in the middle 50s, 56 degrees. For the next 7 days along the coast, showers stay in the forecast, isolated by Saturday, mostly cloudy skies, though by Sunday, highs in the lower 60s. For Northern California, still isolated showers on Friday, continuing for Saturday, highs in the middle 50s down to the lower 50s by the weekend. And for the Klamath Basin, chilly during the daytime, isolated showers on Friday, highs will be in the upper 40s. And then for the mountains, also showers, middle 40s for highs. Our overnight lows getting down to the upper 20s by Saturday night. And for the Rogue Valley, we will also see cool nights and fairly mild days. Isolated showers still for the end of the work week and start of the weekend.
So will the frost be back tomorrow morning?
No, we're just expecting rainfall.
Okay. Thanks very much.